Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making delicious and simple mince dish with flavorful spices and veggies. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, click on subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once it hot, add in 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 black cardamom. Saute for a minute, then add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic. Give it a mix. Now add 3 sliced onion and fry them until they turn translucent. Once done, add 500 gram of beef mince. Mix it well, cover and cook until the color change. Now uncover the pan and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 4 chopped tomatoes, mix well, cover and let it cook until tomatoes are soft. Once done, stir well, then add 1 cup of peas and 2 roughly chopped capsicum. Mix everything well, pour in 1 cup of water. Cover the pan and let it cook until the peas are nice tender. Once the peas are done, mix it well, then add half teaspoon of garam masala and 4 green chilies. Cover the pan and let it simmer, and there you have it. A delicious beef mince with perfectly cooked peas and capsicum infused with aromatic spices. Enjoy it with warm roti and naan. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.